G'day. Been a while between videos, mostly because I've had a shoulder operation earlier this year. Down here by the creek in Melrose right now. See the whole chicken run trail's pretty much overflowing right now. But yeah, starting to feel a little bit better and more recovered from surgery, so you're going to start getting back into the swing of videos and try and keep it pretty simple and show a few bikes we've got in store and have a bit of look at them and try and ride some cool places. But yeah, we'll start with the Canfield Nimble 9. Yeah, this is a Canfield Nimble 9. It's a Edge Cycles collab from over the edge in Fruita, Colorado, where Canfield's from. It's also got a MRP ribbon fork, 150mm, which has dual air chambers. So you fill it up on the bottom here, and it has a ramp control which controls the progression. Really cool head badge. I love the color. It's kind of a gunmetal / brownie sort of color. This bike can be run in several wheel size configurations, all the way from 27.5 to 29 plus. This one's running 27.5 plus, so it's got a 3-inch on the front and 2.8 on the rear. It's a bit of a mishmash of parts because it's just a custom build that I built for the store out of stuff we had around. So you've got a Diori 12-speed, you got NX cranks, got Diori brakes, fun handlebars and stem, SQ Lab seat, and KS dropper. So this is a small frame, which even though, at 173 centimeters, it's supposed to be a bit small for me, but it's still 425 reach. It's not too bad, but you can just see I'll probably need a longer dropper than 125. Other than that, it's all right. I really like this lever. It's KS lever. So let's have a little bit of a suss of how it rides. I guess we'll start here, top of the cannonball run and dodging bullets. Should be a bit of fun. Good warm up. Might get a few magpie swoops. We'll see how we go. Canfield Nimble 9. Oh, those big tyres. Pretty ridiculous. Almost feels like a dual suspension. Oh, she's slippery. Getting pretty chopped up out here. Honestly, like, pretty forgiving for a hardtail. Just flies up the hill. That's mint. Like, not even hard at all. Never been a big believer in plus tyres, but this feels pretty good. Alright, push on a bit. What have I lost my bottle from over there? And this thing just rips. Essentially, this bike just feels insane on like any rocky single track. there's just all like Chadwick bumps. Like, I was thinking, I should know better because of what my torrent was like, but the hardtail would just be like super sketchy and like kind of a handful to ride at speed. But the big tires on this make it so easy, just float over everything. It's almost like hilariously so. So yeah, kick on a little bit more. Loving it though. Climb's good, descend's good. MRP ribbon fork is insane. So yeah, good times. Like, this is actually a small frame and I'm 173 centimeters, but I actually like it. It feels pretty good. I definitely want a longer dropper, but yeah, she feels pretty good. Like, the maneuverability is just ridiculous. Not really giving up anything descending either. Ooh, slippery. Absolutely rips. How good is the handling? Creaks flowing. Beautiful scenes. Chicken dodging. Good fun. It's just one of those bikes that proves you don't really need a lot to have fun. Just like hilariously easy to ride. Honestly, this is actually probably my favourite hardtail I've ever ridden. Woo! Just coasting along, like, just the sound of those tyres. Hilarious. I actually don't mind the size of this bike, like, just makes the handling a lot easier. Like, I guess technically it's too small, but I don't know. What does that even mean? It feels fine. Hilariously good over rocks. Tight rocky flat turns, that's the go. Woo! Wow, a lot more grip there than you expect, so kind of caught me by surprise. Like, I could honestly let go a bit more and trust it. There's nothing more pure than a hardtail with flat pedals. So that's the ride along with the Canfield Nimble 9. Awesome bike, absolutely loved it. Totally rips, easy to get around on, pretty good downhill, pretty good everywhere really. This one's a rental at Over the Edge that were custom built, so if you're kind of my height or maybe a little smaller, it's on 173. Yeah, it'd be a great ride for you, so come and have a suss. And yeah, till next time, I'll try not to keep these too, I'll try to stop these from getting too goofy and just talk about the bikes, I guess. So cheers.